Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, let's call it Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions at the time you're watching the video, then that'll keep this chart updated for as long as possible. And the big question going forward, and this is a level that I talked about in yesterday's video, but right up here at 10,800, that's a very key level of resistance, and you can see that that is exactly where the price has been hovering around, and that just goes to show the power of charts. But that'll be question number one. So let's just go with Sunday afternoon. You're watching the video Sunday afternoon. Question number one is just simply, where's the price at relative to 10,800. If you are answering the question that the price is up above there, well, then that tells you that the bulls and the chart as a whole is having a nice weekend. Now, how nice of a weekend? Well, that's where some common sense, gut instincts comes into play. Meaning, if you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, the price is right there. Don't get me wrong, that's good. The price is technically up above that level. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is way up there, well, then at that point, that would be telling you, the bulls are definitely having a very, very strong weekend. So from that angle, like I said, let your gut instincts and common sense kind of guide you. But that'll definitely be the first question to kind of take an inventory check of is, where's the price at relative to this key level of resistance? Because as of right now, as you've seen, the price is definitely struggling with that. Now, if you're answering the question, well, Clay, the price is still down below 10,800, then the next immediate question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this area down here at 9,600? So that's going to be the key area of support. And again, that'll be the next question that you would want to ask yourself. If you're answering the question that the price is up above 9,600, but it's still down below 10,800, then really one word could summarize that scenario, and that is just the price is consolidating. So at that point, it's just consolidating, and that's really the easiest way to kind of look at that. If you are answering the question that the price is down below 9,600, then that final question becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this area down there at 9,000, which was the bottom portion of the bigger pullback here. If you are answering the question that the price is down below 9,000, well, that's telling you that pretty much this entire nice move here has been wiped away, and now the bears are, just making that much further progress to the downside. So 9,000 definitely kind of a make or break it as far as the bears are concerned. Again, if the price happens to be down below that level, then that would just be telling you at that time that the bears are completely owning the weekend, at that junction in time. So we'll see how things continue to play out over the weekend, but these are definitely the key levels that I'd keep an eye on. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.